So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to redeem a discount code here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go ahead and go to the bottom right and press on Profile. Once you guys are on the profile page, where it says Redeem Code, go ahead and press on that. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and enter the code right here. So I've previously used a code. So for example, if I were to type in John, code John, John, I can go ahead and redeem it, but I've already done that before. I believe Colin Coward has a code, if I'm not mistaken, as well. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead, press redeem code right here, press redeem, and it's going to actually add that credit to your account. In most cases, it will be $20. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can redeem a discount code here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.